Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna take you on a quick tour of the Sea Cliff Resort. It's right here in Portland. I'm kind of unsuspecting from the outside, but you really have a treat awaiting you, especially if you're interested in kind of boutique, rustic environments. You'll definitely love this. Again, my name is Ariel. If it's your first time here, I'm a real estate agent licensed in Jamaica, and of course, our job takes us across the island. So, during my tours, I try to give persons a little snippets of places to stay, places to eat. This one is definitely a place to stay and also a place to eat. So, this family-run property, is I'd probably give them maybe 5-6 acres, maybe a little bit more. But they found themselves on some acreage and just decided to do something great with it. So they still have a lot of more space. They can get a bit creative. So you have a lot of the cabins and the cottages, you know, further on that way. Parking is pulled away from the main road, and they have the Cliffhanger restaurant. Naturally, it's right on the cliff, right? You enter from here. So I mean, if you have some acreage just sitting there not doing anything, it really just takes a little bit to be creative. I really applaud them for their efforts here. So, Cliffhanger restaurant has, little cabanas like this. Naturally, of course, overlooking the cliff here. Straight through the cabana, you have the bar set up, and that restaurant set up, and more restaurant space up here. And again, you can enjoy your breakfast, enjoy your dinner, your lunch, or come for a swing, take a seat, have a drink, and just chill out. And again, this is all by the restaurant, so this is something you can enjoy just by just coming to have some food and chill out. Great idea. So this is another set of rooms. These again lead out right to the cliff itself, so they actually open out onto the cliff. And again, what I really like is that the owners didn't do any grand kind of gestures, but they are so intuitive in design. This is just PVC pipes and a sheeting, but it gave you that walkway and has a nice little look to it. It's a completely rustic vibe, and as I said, all these units lead out right on the cliff. Alright guys, so let's take a quick look at this room. It's a nice little cabin. Most of the rooms here actually have that little view. We're gonna step out and check that out. It's a pretty simple room. You just want to get away. AC, fan. I like the bamboo elements. This is nice. Okay, I know me not sound not like her, but I think that's cool, right? Some rooms have double beds, others have king beds. But listen, you're going to be waking up to the views, and you can step right out in your hammock. You can step out right to the pool. Not bad, right? No, and when we tell you that Jamaica nice, a serious thing in a Rasta. Can hear the shores. Portland in all its glory. Alright, so one of the really nice features I really like is that all the rooms have the hammocks on the outside. Like all of these rooms. And this is the view you have from your balcony. So the property itself is pretty much perched on a cliff, you know, and a lot of persons may not have had the, you know, that thought process to turn it into a kind of boutique hotel. So gotta big them up for that. They made use of this view. I mean, it's not suitable for swimming or jumping off. That would be crazy, you know, but it's almost perfect for a hotel, for seaside kind of, cliffside kind of resort, and that's what they created. So I gotta give them a thumbs up for that, for sure. And this is the pool deck. You know, there's a lot of leaves in there now because there's some rain and stuff. Those who know Portland knows the Portland weather kind of cycle. But just imagine waking up to the sounds of the waves crashing on the stones and in the shore. Gotta love that. Loving the waves crashing on the shore. Give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you've stayed here. It's a sea cliff. You know, let us know what your experience was like. We'd appreciate it. This nighttime shot of this end of the property.